right, our problem says a box with a square base has a surface area, including the top, of 8 square meters. Express the volume V of the box as a function of the width W of the base. So I'm going to draw a new box for us. You'll just draw two like this, and you kind of connect these. Okay. The box has a square base. Normally a box would be length times width times height, but they told me it has a square base, so I'm going to call it W, and the height of the box is H. And it says it has a surface area of 8 square meters. I'm just going to say area is equal to 8. And the formula for the surface area of a box that has a top, so this has a top and it has a bottom. The formula is, it's got 4 sides that go all the way around, and each one of those sides is WH. So it's 4WH, because it has this side and the front and the side and the back and this side here. So 4WH plus the area of the top and the bottom, both of those are W by W, so that would be 2W squared. 1W squared for the top, 1W squared for the bottom. Okay? And they asked me to express the volume as a function of the width of the base. So normally the formula for volume of a box is length times width times height. But in this case, it'll be W times H, which would be W squared H. So I have this formula that says 8 is equal to 4WH plus 2W squared. My problem here says I'm only supposed to express the volume only in terms of W. Right now I'm expressing volume in terms of W and in terms of H. So I need to change this so it's only W. So my plan is I'm going to take this area formula and I'm going to solve it for H. So I'll have H equal to stuff with a W in it, okay? So to solve for H, first of all, I'll scoot the 2W squared over, so I have 8 minus 2W squared is equal to 4WH. If I was trying to get H all by itself, then I would just divide both sides by 4W. So these cancel and I get H is equal to, do you notice all of these could be split in half? 8 is a multiple of 2, 2 is a multiple of 2, 4 is a multiple of 2. So I'm going to split them all in half. So half of 8 is 4, half of 2 is 1, so this is just W squared, and half of 4 is 2, so this would be 2W. Okay, so now I have H is equal to 4 minus W squared over 2W. So what I'm going to do is take this value for H and substitute it right here. So I could say volume is equal to W squared times 4 minus W squared over 2W. This is like over 1. I just substituted this value for H for this one. So first thing I do before I continue is I could cancel this W, and this becomes not squared anymore. And then I'm going to distribute W times 4, 4W. W times negative W squared is negative W cubed, and 1 times 2 is 2. So this is my answer. I found volume only in terms of the width here, not in terms of height.